Hi, my name is Dave, and today I will be demonstrating the instant transfer feature. PayRange processes and submits operators' ACH payments weekly to financial institutions. The new instant transfer feature will allow flexibility to transfer funds to a debit card prior to the scheduled weekly ACH payments and is ready to be used in minutes. Let's get started using the PayRange app. Tap the three bars on the top left corner to access the drop-down menu. Verify the app is in operators mode and select Instant Transfers. Please note that the available balance up to $3,000 can be initiated per transfer as often as you like, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There is also a 24-hour waiting period after adding a debit card. Select Get Started. Enter the first name as indicated on the debit card, then the last name, debit card billing zip code, and finally the debit card type, number, and expiration date. Note, only one card can be added per operator account. Select Finish. A message will be displayed noting the 24-hour waiting period. After returning to the app 24 hours later and selecting the Instant Transfers option, the stored card information will be displayed along with an option to delete the card. The available balance amount will be displayed. The full amount can be selected if the available balance is under $3,000, otherwise select partial amount to enter an amount $3,000 or less. Please select the information icon for more details regarding transfer limits and fees. For this example, $10.01 will be entered in the withdrawal amount field. The convenience fee will be shown and the net transfer amount will be calculated accordingly. Select Start Transfer. Approve the transfer by selecting Yes if correct. Confirmation of the transfer will be displayed once completed.